Hi guys, my name is Manca and this will be another instructional video from me. Today I'll be talking about rifles and I'll give you some tips for beginners. So let's get started. Okay, I have my noob over here ready to begin, so let's start. First things first, you have to think about your legs. Your legs should be in shoulder width, so like this, and your primary leg should be about half of a step into the back. Next thing is you should be leaning into your rifle and you should be pulling it towards you. Your cheek should be resting firmly on the rifle, and with this hand you should be pulling it towards you. So what we want to show you now is the difference in recoil between the correct and the incorrect stance. So as you can see, when Ziga was leaning back, the recoil was really hard on him, and when he was leaning forward, he was compensating the recoil much better than he was before. When you're shooting your rifle, I recommend you that you always hold your rifle with your primary hand and do manipulations with your secondary hand. Ziga will show you the wrong way first. And now he will show you the right way. So as you can see, holding your rifle with your primary hand allows you to have complete control over your rifle the whole time. Another thing I suggest is, if your rifle is very long or if it's very heavy, you can bring it into your workspace. You can put it under your shoulder, put it on your tummy, or turn it so you can see what you're doing. This allows you better manipulation and working with your rifle. These were a couple of tips for beginners for shooting a rifle, and if you'd like to hear any more tips from us, please let us know in the comments and we'll try to make it happen. Thanks!